What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be testing out Base's tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. We will also be doing some tests with the camera lens protector as well, so you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because we will be doing a drop and a scratch test for the tempered glass screen protector and a scratch test for the rear camera protector. Now I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick up any of these yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So we get one screen protector and an installation packet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your screen, then dry it off. Now the nice thing about this screen protector is they give you two little guides to hold on to while you're placing the screen protector down. What I would probably do is if you have a case, put your phone in the case and then put the screen protector down so it'll be a lot easier to line up. Alright, then all you need to do is peel off the underside one protector and then don't touch the underside after you've done so, and then just line it up with your phone. Then once it's down, just kind of run your finger up the middle here. Now it looks like we do have a little bubble in the middle here, but we can very easily get rid of that without any problems. So all we need to do is kind of lift up on the screen protector in the corner. Use your fingernail, just lift up very carefully. Wait until the bubble goes away. And then just release and then just squeegee down with your finger. Now once you get all your bubbles out, all you need to do is simply lift up on the little tab here. And you're all done. So installation was really nice, not a problem there, and we know that it is case friendly. We can also see the gap all the way around the phone, so it should be case friendly with pretty much any case that you're going to use. There is a cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about it interfering with your pictures. As far as touch goes, super smooth, very nice. Now we'll re-register our fingerprints. Touch working great. Okay, fingerprints inputted. Let's test them out. No problems there. No problems there. All right, working perfectly fine. And as you can see, it is crystal clear. Again, super smooth, no problems with touch. Everything's working very nice there. All right, so far so good. Let's go ahead and move on to the drop test. We're going to start off at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet. Moving on to 4 feet. Moving on to 5 feet. Moving on to 6 feet. Oh, 6 feet. All right, so we made it to 6 feet for the drop test. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and move on to the scratch test. We're going to start off with a level 5. Then move on to our level 6. And then finally a level 7. So let's take a look. So as you can see, there's no scratches at the level 5. They're very slight at a level 6 and a little deeper at a level 7. So all around great protection. It was pretty easy to install. As you saw, scratch protection is on par, if not a little better than other tempered glass screen protectors. And we lasted up to 6 feet for the drop test. So definitely a plus. I'm going to give this screen protector a thumbs up. So now let's install the rear tempered glass camera protector. First, you want to clean off your lenses really well and around the lenses too. Then dry everything off. Then you're going to take your lens protector. You're going to peel off the back plastic, making sure not to touch the underside. and then just place this over the camera lenses. And then just press it into place. All right, so let's check out our cameras real quick. As you can see, it is nice and clear. It doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone. Test out our cameras. As you can see, it is crystal clear. No problems there. Now let's see how quick the focus is. Very quick. No problems there. All right. Everything's looking good. Very clean, very clear. No issues with the camera. Very nice. So now let's do a little scratch test. Again, we'll start off with the level 5. Then we'll move on to the level 6. And then finally the level 7. So if we look closer, as you can see, there's no scratches at the level 5 here. There are slight at the level 6 and a little deeper at the level 7. So again, it's on par with other tempered glass screen protectors. Not bad. So I am pretty pleased with the drop and scratch protection for the screen protector for the top of the phone and these camera lens protectors. Again, if you guys want to pick these up, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.